Hi my friends, this is Ian with a short video. What do you think to this page? This is going to help you build your Buildabizonline downline and also hopefully put some more pennies into your, well, not pennies, dollars into your account at Buildabizonline that you can then draw on. Okay, so what we've got here is right at the top, we've got a sticky bar. You may recognize this from your splash page building and your capture page building at Buildabizonline. If I hover over that, can you see that? Look, bottom left. This one points to me. Hovering over there, it points to me. Hovering over that, it points to me. And if we try to go off the page, there is a pop-up comes up and it points to me. Now, would you like a system like this to build your Buildabizonline? Okay, so here we go. What you need to do is to click onto this link here. When you click onto that link, it will take you to mine. Okay, if you click on here, it will take you to this page and it will explain. Let us just say that you were a visitor to that splash page. What we've got on here, Martin has put some wording on here that'll entice people to join Buildabizonline, okay? And they can do that just here. Can you see? Bottom left, it is my link. Now, to get your link and your system to do this, all you need to do is to put your Buildabizonline username in there, okay? And then click update the ID and you will be given then a link to promote with all your affiliate for Buildabizonline. Everything will be pointed to yours, okay? So don't forget, use this system. We've been testing it and it's been working really well. So if you want the new Buildabizonline system to help build your downline and put more paid members under you, then please click this link and it will take you to this page, okay, where and this is the tease here. Look, would you like to learn how you can start earning $2.50, $6 and $10 commissions while promoting your existing business? And this is it, okay? Because over at Buildabizonline, you can make $2 commissions, $2.50, $6 and $10 commissions, all while promoting your business. So if you want to use this system, please go over to your members area, click on this link, and all you got to do is just click on that one button just here, and it will take you to the page where you can add your username and get a system just like this. Okay, end of video. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will help us tremendously and it will help me, especially if you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, to improve the training. Okay, so if you think that the videos that I produce to do with training you with the tools and whatever and this system and so on and so forth, if you think that it's of value, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye bye for now. See you in the next video.